Okay, students, so good morning. Today we are going to start a new topic, seasons. A season is a period during which the weather remains almost same for many days. As we know that in our country, that is in India, we have a four different season and addition to one more, which is known as the rainy season or the monsoon season. So first of all, we are going to start with the summer season. So summer is a season in which the air blows hot. That means the hot airs are blowing in this season. So summer season is basically is the hot season, and the hot wind is known as the heat wave. Blow in some places. So heat waves are blow in some places. We know that we generally called it the loo. In the summer season, we feel so hot because the sun shines so brightly. In the desert area, dust and storms can be appear during the summers. We like to stay indoor most of the time. We use rooms, coolers, and ACs to get rid of the from that hot weather. In during the summer season, days are long while nights are very short. So people generally love to wear light color clothes instead of dark because light clothes do not absorb more heat. So people love to wear light color clothes. Even they love to eat the cold dessert like ice creams. Most of the fruits which we get in the summer are the mangoes, lychee, and watermelon. So class, these are the watery fruits which we eat in the summer season. So it is very important for us to drink more water during the summer season, because in the summer season we sweat a lot, and if we sweat a lot, it may causes dehydration. So during the summer season we need to take lot of water. So next we have the monsoon season. We know that monsoon means the rain. So rainy season is most probably our favorite season because it gives us a relief from the hot summer heat. So during the rainy season, we love to the children love to be there in the rain, and rain provide water to the crops. Rain provide help to the farmer